I don't see Jalen Legs.
My bad. Y'all see me?
I see you now. Jalen George is second, third name or fourth name down. All right, I'm gonna get ready to let him in.
Yeah. It didn't matter. Yeah. That man every.
What his iPhone is. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Oh, you're back. Gun.
Yes. I'm sorry. I had came back to ask, do you know what ticket is you said got a hold on the license or something that I would know I would have to pay
That
or
one you paid, that one will have a reinstatement fee on it.
so I just gotta wait for it to come through on your end?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. See you next week.
All right, be safe.
Look.
Good morning, Ms. Cox. Who's your defendant?
Yeah, Romeo Lopez.
Romeo Lopez. I haven't seen him yet.
I see a Lopez Perez, so that could be him.
No, it's not. That's
Okay.
Esmeralda. Mr. Vassal Johnson, good morning to you. What's your client's name?
Good morning, Judge. I have Javon Golson.
Javon Golson's here. I'm gonna put Mr. Golson Mr. Golson, I'm gonna put you in a room 5. Wait on Mr. Johnson to come see you, okay? Good morning to you.
I have a Chantel Gardner as well.
She's here as well. Ms. Gardner, I'm gonna put you in room 5. 6. Good morning to you.
Guyana Larry, last name
And
Larry. Guyana,
last
name Larry.
I don't see a Larry. All right, it's on you.
Thank you.
All rise. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right, Navy seated. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm gonna start with the reviews. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. City of Detroit versus Terry Grant Goodwin, case number SP 184593551. Good morning to you, Mr. Goodwin. State your name for the record, please. Terry Grant Goodwin. Is he here? You have to start your camera, sir. State your name, please. All right, let's pass it. This is the City of Detroit versus Leslie Grubbs Grant, case number SP 189-11542. Ms. Grubbs Grant, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Leslie Grubbs Grant.
All right, date and time is set for a review. I'm going to give you some more time. I'm going to give you 2 weeks to get this straight. We talked off record about getting into the payment plan. I don't know what you need to do, but obviously you have to take some further steps to get into that payment plan. Come back on July the 20th, ma'am, at 8:25, okay?
All right, thank you.
Best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodwin. Are you there,
Yeah.
Mr. Goodwin?
Yes, I'm here.
Where are you? I don't see you.
Um,
All right, I'm gonna pass it. I'm not gonna keep going back and forth with you.
I'm right here.
Oh, you're gonna wait now.
Mm.
City of Detroit versus Jada Oates, case number SP 1421633, SP 165775592. Ms. Oates, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Sorry, I was on mute. Good morning, Jade Oates.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time set for review, and you have not got into a payment plan or paid anything. What's going on, ma'am?
Well, right now, I only get Social Security from my son. So it's been kind of hard to try to pay that.
What about getting into the payment plan?
Okay.
I let
How do I
that
do
out.
that?
You have to come down to the courthouse and get into the payment plan. You have to bring a certain amount of money up, but I don't, I've left that option open for you, and we discussed that.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do that.
All right, I'm gonna give you 2 weeks. Come back on July the 20th at 8:30, or 8:25, okay?
Okay.
I wish, pardon me?
I said okay.
All right, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Esmeralda Lopez Perez, case number SP 180338281. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, you haven't paid either.
Yeah, I just got paid last night, so I was planning to pay today, today.
If you pay it now, get on the DivDat kiosk, DIVDAT. We can you can call back in. We can dismiss this matter right now.
I mean, I'm paying with cash. I was actually heading to the court over
Okay.
there where I have to pay online, in cash.
Okay. So go ahead and
Yeah.
do you want to come back tomorrow morning and we close
Yeah,
it
that's
out?
fine. Yeah, that's
All right.
fine.
We'll put it on for tomorrow morning. If there's nothing
Around what
further,
time?
ma'am. Well, go ahead.
The same time as today, or?
Same time.
Oh, okay,
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, you too.
You're welcome. City of Detroit. Oh, I think that might be Mr. Whatchamacallit's client. Terry Godwin, are you ready? Goodwin, are you ready?
yes.
I cannot see you, sir.
Yes. Damn.
No, the camera, you got to come in the camera. You
I
got
mean-
the camera pointed at the ceiling.
Hmm.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, you too have not paid.
Yeah.
What's the problem?
I'm having a little finance problem because I do construction and little jobs. My job is a little slow right now, but I had the money this week.
All right. When do you want to come back?
I can come back in 2 weeks. I can pay it for 2 weeks.
Come back on the the 7/20 date at 8:25, all right?
7/20.
Yep, best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Breonna Montrell Kenshaw Gray. Case
Yes,
number,
Judge.
good morning to you. Case number
Good
SP
morning.
19-1006, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record. You have a tank top on, sir? Put some better clothes on, sir. Pass the matter.
I'll get to her now.
All right, pass the matter. This is Cortez George. Do we have Cortez George?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
City of Detroit versus Cortez Kenyon George, case number SP 1913101, SP 130404181, SP 1307321, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. George.
All right, my name is Cortez George.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay, he has a handful of civil infractions, Mr. Berry. One of which is a no insurance proof. He owes $288. Mr. George, if you don't have a license already, if you pay that $288, you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid license. I say potentially because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions. Speak to Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. All right, are you ready to go, Mr. Gray?
Yes, yes, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, appearance for the record, Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P 72832 on behalf of Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, please state your name again for the record.
Breon Martelli Kenshaw Gray.
Today is the date and time. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a
I thought you
pre-trial.
were on the court.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right, when you see the prompt
Attorney
join,
requested.
it has not been. The prompt join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Oh, I got that. That one I already printed out. You can throw that one away. That's late.
Okay. You put that one out before.
Say that again.
Yeah, Lacey.
I just print, you can throw that out. You already pulled that. Officer Stearns, good morning to you.
Morning, Judge. How you doing today?
Well, who are you here for?
Last name Geiger, sir.
Geiger?
Yes, sir.
Maybe that's a formal hearing, huh?
I mean, I got two different notices. That's the problem. Lately, it's happened to me a few times now, sir. But yeah, last name Geiger, first name Marcus, I believe. Date of birth, well, his years out.
You have a case number?
Yes, sir.
Ticket number?
26. Yes, sir. 262-979-291.
262-979-291.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Should be pertaining to selling
was-
marijuana without a proper license.
Dismissed.
That was dismissed?
Yep.
Okay,
262.
Yes, sir.
That was dismissed on June the 30th.
Dismissed on June 30th? All right. Well, I appreciate it, Judge.
Be safe.
You have a good day, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You want to appoint an attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gray, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I'm gonna give you another pretrial date. That date is set so that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next pretrial date of July the 24th, I'm gonna get one appointed to you on the spot on that day, okay? I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right, you don't have anything further, sir. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you so much, and you too. So I
you're welcome.
joined this courtroom back right on that day
Yes.
at the same time, 8:35.
Yeah, hopefully you had contact with that attorney by that next time, all right? Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, sir.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. City of Detroit versus Paris Logan, case number SP 102-83121, SP 144-50061, SP 164-3840, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 167-3601, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 171-4150, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 171-4164, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1739362, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1739486, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1748429, SP 1752432, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 175249661, SP 1752994, SP 176-18981, SP 186-4586, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 989952, counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus Paris Logan, case number SX 36770841. Appearance for the record, please.
Paris Logan, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Harris, on behalf of Ms. Logan.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Harris, I see 2 tickets. If Ms. Logan doesn't already have a license that are affecting her ability to get a license, at least with 36th District Court, is a no insurance civil, $258, and a no insurance proof, $288. Ms. Logan, she owes a handful of other civil infractions as well. Ms. Logan, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
We can get some of those thrown out. Like I'm a single parent.
All right, talk to Ms. Harris.
Okay.
Pass the matter. Mr. Kenneth Lacy,
Yes, sir. This is Kenneth Lacy.
did you have, good morning to you, did the attorney ever contact you?
No, sir. I called back a few times and I called back to the court. I didn't get no answer, none. But I did leave a message and everything, and nobody didn't call. So some of the numbers I didn't recognize. Whatever, I did answer it.
Hold on.
And
What about,
I haven't got no
hold
call.
on, please. What about probation? Have you been testing?
Yes, I have.
Okay, very good. All right, I'm gonna try to get that lawyer for you now. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. George?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll come back on trial date July 28, 2026 at 9 a.m. Okay?
9 a.m.
At 9 a.m. July 28th at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. George, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
1 second. Can I speak to my lawyer one more time? Because I got one question.
Go ahead.
Is there
Rejoin the breakout room.
okay? How do I do that?
Come on, I'll make it easier for you.
I have this he has been testing, all tests have been negative.
Very good.
I'm gonna print it out. So
See if we can get him that attorney now, because I think that a form has been in.
okay.
He's in the room, Mr. Barry. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Logan. Ms. Logan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Respectfully requesting permission to pay reinstatement fees up front. She's asking if the court could let her know what that amount might be and how to pay. And a trial date, sorry.
Well, I see two, it'd be $90 and you'd have to come down to the courthouse to pay those up front, ma'am. There's no better way I can allow you to do that, but to come down to the courthouse.
Okay, I can do that next Tuesday.
All right, with the understanding that you're gonna have to pay these off completely. We're not setting aside the defaults. At some point, you're gonna have to pay these off completely, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. So I just have the 2 reinstatement fees to pay?
Right now, you do. that should, hopefully you'll be able to get a license once you pay those, but, that's gonna be up to, what your license looks like at the Secretary of State.
Okay.
You've already paid some things. All right, come back on, you want a trial date? Come back, on July the 28th, 2026 at 9 a.m., July the 28th. You have to come down, bring $90 to the counter. We're gonna mark those two cases, allow, pay reinstatement fee up front. If you have any issue with that, come on back up, come upstairs to the courtroom and we'll adjust it, but we should put it in there. I mark those two on there. Allow reinstatement fee, the rest of it is trial. And, if there's nothing further, after you do that, you go to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a license. If they don't give you a license, ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
So come back on July the 28th at 9 a.m. for a trial. I wish you the best of luck and have a
Thank
very
you.
good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Desmond Ramon Greer, case number SP 1911977, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1911978, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1912011, SP 1912021. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry.
That's Ms. Harris.
Oh, sorry.
Unless
On behalf of Mr. Greer.
Oh, all right, Mr. Greer, today is the date and time. It is set for a trial/formal hearing. Officer Lungoski, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Maverick Lungoski, badge 746, Detroit Police.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Harris is gonna, Mr. Greer, Ms. Harris is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? And today is the date and time set for that.
Okay.
All right, when you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. And now, Officer Lungoski, I haven't seen the city yet. Can we get the city in here, please? We'll pass the matter. Your client is satisfied, Mr. Berry. Are you ready for another case?
Ready, Your Honor.
Very good. This is the City of Detroit versus Darrell Gilchrist, case number SP 1900538 SP 190196261. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gilchrist.
Darrell Dante Gilchrist.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning,
Today is the day. Where is he? Let's see. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. We'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
When you see the prompt, you join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Good morning, Officer Al-Kafaji.
Good morning, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning to you. What's your defendant's name?
I'm here for David Allen.
David Allen?
Yes, sir.
I think you may have the wrong courtroom. Let me see. Good morning to you, ma'am. Good morning. What is your name, please?
Nicola Streeter.
Nicola who?
Streeter.
Streeter, are you supposed to be in landlord tenant?
Yes.
Yeah, they've got probably 434. Your Judge Sharp? Is that Judge Sharp you have?
I don't know, she said like 25.
Where? Yeah, we changed courtrooms. Be safe. Good luck to you. Let's see.
Your Honor.
David Allen.
Your Honor, I believe I made a mistake.
Case number?
I think my court is tomorrow. Can I give you the case number?
Please.
Okay. SP 188-606-21.
David Allen Giles.
Yes,
and,
sir.
It is tomorrow.
Oh, yes, sir.
See you in
Thank
the
you.
morning.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Thank you.
You're
Bye-bye.
welcome. Okay, Mr. Lacy, I want to congratulate you on staying sober. We got all negative tests, but I'm still waiting to see if we can, what happened with
He
that.
hasn't answered the phone. I just emailed him.
Okay, we're still waiting on that attorney. I want you to not prolong this. I want you to get an attorney right now, so you don't have to wait more time than necessary, all right?
Yes, sir.
Gutierrez, good morning to you. Did they leave? I believe she's gone. Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilchrist. Mr. Gilchrist, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration, and we seek dismissal.
Mr. Gilchrist, I'm going to dismiss your cases at this time to provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Amarion Gaskin, case number SP 1901646, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gaskin.
Amarion Gaskin.
Good morning
For
to you,
purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gaskin, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. Good morning, good morning. Hello. All right, very good. Good morning to you. How are you? Go ahead. It doesn't matter.
Can she talk to Can she sit up in there?
Absolutely. And what is your name?
Latoya.
Latoya, good
Can we
morning to
approach?
you. Absolutely. Good morning to you. How you doing?
Good morning.
Yeah.
How you doing?
How you doing,
This
Miss
is
Latoya? What's your last name?
Hill.
Miss Hill, good morning to you.
Nice. This is a good court.
She says that because you know, everybody, when you do it, the smiling face behind it, no, I'm just messing with you.
Oh, you know, we go way back.
I'm just messing with you.
Right?
Congratulations, yeah, absolutely we do. Adele Gutierrez, good morning to you.
Good morning.
How can we help you, ma'am? Buenos dias, necesitas interpreter?
Sí, no English.
There you go. There we go, Miss Cox. Did she leave? Good morning to you, Miss Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
All right, un momento, Señorita Gutierrez.
Okay.
Judge, can you give me a quick minute before we go to the next case? Thank you.
iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
I think you're talking about me. Jalen George?
No, I'm not.
Oh, all right.
Oh. iPhone needs to unmute yourself, please.
Benny Gilbert.
No, go ahead, Mr. Is that Gilbert you said?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gilbert,
Benny Gilbert.
is that what it is?
Benny under 9 a.m.
All right, Benny Gilbert, good morning
Yes.
to you. Matter is set for trial. I'm gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. The officer appears, we'll get you in to talk to someone. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here, all right?
Okay.
Everyone else, we're just taking them in the order that they came in, trying to get you out of here as fast and efficiently as possible. Ms. Cox, good morning to you. Can you speak to Ms. Adela Gutierrez? She needs an interpreter. I need to know what her full name is and if she has a case number, please.
Okay, yes, Your Honor. Señora Gutiérrez, yo soy el intérprete de español. Me
Okay.
pidió el juez que le pidiera su nombre completo y si tiene el número de su caso.
Okay. Lelis Adela Gutiérrez Herrera.
Gutiérrez Herrera.
I see 835.
Okay, ya la encontró.
Okay.
Right down and right kind of in the middle a little bit.
Gutierrez.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can run her driving. Well, all right, we're waiting on Mr. Gaskin. You need to go back to the breakout room. Mr. Barry's talking to the city attorney now.
There's not a number. I'm gonna have to see her name.
Who's that? Oh, if it's nothing come up.
Yeah, it's no number on there.
All right. So this is your first day?
No, last Monday was my first day here, but I've been at the court for 3.5 years.
Oh, okay. So this is a new position.
Yeah.
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank
I'm back, Judge.
All right. Ms. Cox, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Maria Cox, Mariacox.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. Morning.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. And then Desmond Greer is set for trial. If you want to see that one.
Yes.
There are snacks and stuff in the chambers.
Okay, is your chambers on this floor?
Pardon?
Is your chambers on this floor?
Yes,
All right.
557.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. No Lopez, no Romero Lopez yet, Ms. Cox.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Hey, Judge, I got a question.
Yes.
So I'm supposed to just be sitting in the break room?
Yes, yes, he's waiting on the city attorney to get, to have some talks with her about your case.
Okay.
Maybe run Georgia's license. Maybe run Georgia's license, please. Just happen to catch just a no option, something else. Just if you think about it, if you see it and you catch it, run the license. And sometimes they have one, but it's valid. Oh, good. I think that's the only one. So. We're just waiting on an attorney.
Ya te los tengo el 6.
Let's get, I think I can get some people out of here. Eric Leonard, please unmute yourself. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And who was your attorney?
Attorney Reese.
Reese Carpenter?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, I'm not gonna keep you any longer. I don't see that, Officer, Benetel has showed. City of Detroit versus Eric Dutch Leonard, case number SP 189260051. Mr. Leonard, state your name for the record, please.
Eric Leonard.
All right, day, date, and time is set for a trial. Is there Officer Benetel? I have no response, and I have not seen that officer join the room. At this time, I'm gonna, on the court's own motion, dismiss your case. There's nothing further, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Daniel Ruben Long, case number SP 1897301, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the, state your name for the record, please.
Daniel Ruben Long.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a trial, and I don't, Officer Reynal has not appeared. On the court's own motion, I'm going to dismiss your case. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
It's like Christmas in July, especially for Mr. Leonard.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Is Kayana here? Yana, can you unmute yourself? I'm sending you the prompt and start your camera, please.
Okay.
Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your full name?
Hey, y'all, no lie.
Y
Hold
si me
on.
dicen algo.
Say that again.
Hey, y'all, no lie. Hold on. One second.
Hello?
Yes, it's K on the lot. Hi.
I couldn't get the last name.
Is it
Lot.
Lot? L-O-T-T?
Yes. Yes.
Lot. All right. Good morning to you, Miss Lot.
Good morning.
I don't see you on, oh, she is. I have Keontae Lot.
Keontae lot?
Yes.
Oh, that's my brother. It said I had one today for the 6th.
Nah, he needs to be here. Where is he?
Oh, God. Okay.
You have a case too?
Yes.
Could you speak to?
See her name? I don't see her. Oh, you just got warrants.
Okay. It's just the two, right? It's just the two. Hey.
Turn the TV off, man, or mute it.
I'm standing right in front of him.
What's her name?
Kiana, I printed it out.
Okay.
She has warrants.
I don't see her on the back.
I know. Go put this arraigner and then get her another day. You gonna call your brother?
Yes, I just texted him.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaskin. Mr. Gaskin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you
I'm
want,
pleased to give
Mr.
I didn't hear you what you said. He started talking.
Is that what you want, a trial, an appointed attorney?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna appoint an attorney. I'm gonna have you back on July 24th at 8:30. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
I need a good phone number from you, please. I think I have it. Ending in 7001.
Yes, sir.
All right, answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully one of those calls will be that appointed attorney. July the 24th at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
What is it scheduled for? The trial?
No, pre-trial.
Pre-trial, okay.
Yeah, and then need an appointed attorney. All right, Mr. Barry, Miss Lopez Herrera needs an interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Leos Adele Gutierrez Herrera, case number SP 188-4075, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Maria Cox, Spanish interpreter.
Please.
Señora Lelis Adelis Gutiérrez Herrera llamaron a su caso SP 1884075, cargos 1 y 2.
Sí, quería pedirle una disculpa, que si me dan chance de conectar mi teléfono al carro porque se me está descargando. Disculpen, es que tengo 3 días de estar sin energía en casa y se me está descargando el teléfono.
So, Your Honor, she wants permission to go plug her phone on her car. She has been without electricity for 3 days and her phone is about to run out of battery.
She may.
Sí, por favor, hágalo.
Ok, muchísimas gracias, mil disculpas. Tengo 3 días de estar sin energía en casa.
Thank you so much. I've been without electricity 3 days in my home.
Perdón.
Mr. Barry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
El abogado Elwood Berry Jr. representando a la acusada, su señoría.
All right. State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Señora, por favor, diga su nombre completo para las escrituras.
Hola.
Sí, por favor, diga su nombre completo para las escrituras.
Lelis Adela Gutiérrez Herrera.
All right, today is the date and time and it's set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Ok, nos van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que hable con el abogado, a que le digan cuál oferta le está vigente para usted. El juez dijo, por favor, tenga en cuenta de que si no le gusta la oferta, usted puede, tiene el derecho absoluto de pedir un juicio. Acepte la invitación que ve en la pantalla, por favor.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. She's in there. Miss Kayana Locke?
Yes.
You owe the court an awful lot of money, ma'am.
I was doing community service. I spoke with the guy. He told me he was gonna let you know. I contacted him, and I go over there Monday because I was supposed to be doing something for my kid's birthday with my mom to go sign my papers and start it.
Where have you been?
I missed my court date. I had another court date.
Obviously, his stuff is in warrant status.
Oh gosh, I didn't even know.
When are you supposed to be doing community service?
He told me I could come there Monday.
Who is he?
The guy, the number that you all gave me, I spoke with him.
Mr. Phillips?
Yes.
And you haven't done anything yet.
No, he was. I was contacting him, but I never got an answer. And then the court had my number on file, the last 2 digits wrong. So he said he been trying to call that number and was saying I was in complaint, like I wasn't answering, but it was the wrong number.
And have you gotten in touch with him now? You said you
Yes.
have?
Uh-huh.
And the number straight?
Yes.
All right, come back on the 5th of August.
Okay.
At 8:25.
Okay.
Recall those warrants and put them in review. All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Don't miss the date.
Okay, thank you.
Where's your brother? You gone?
It's scheduled for review, right?
Please, Jeff.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor. Ready as to Ms. Herrera.
All right, before they come back, what does she want to do?
She has shown valid insurance as well as a valid international license, and we'd seek dismissal.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gutierrez. Ms. Gutierrez, is my understanding you have a valid international license?
Señora Gutiérrez, vamos a regresar bajo las escrituras en su caso. Dice el juez, yo entiendo que usted tiene una licencia internacional válida, ¿correcto?
Ok.
¿Sí o no?
Sí, sí.
Yes, yes.
All right, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Entonces voy a anularle todos los cargos, se los desestimo, se los quito. Entonces, si no hay más nada, tenga buen día, puede desconectarse.
Ok, muchísimas gracias, agradeciéndole mucho.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm very thankful.
And best of luck to you.
Gracias.
Buena suerte. Bye-bye. And
Gracias.
bye-bye. And Your Honor, would you like me to continue to wait for Mr. Lopez? I can.
That's up to you. I'll leave that up to you, Ms. Cox. We'll be here. Well, we don't have much longer to go, it doesn't appear, but you can step out, or you can stay, or you can come back in and see if we're still here.
I will mute myself and just listen.
All right, I'll take that. We got that. State of Michigan versus Jalen Kyrie George, case number SX4703848, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. George.
Jalen Kyrie George. But can you see me, Judge?
Good morning to you. Yes, good morning to you. Mr. George, today is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, Mr. George has a valid driver's license. Mr. George, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Jalen George.
I thought we had maybe
You printed it.
Cortez George.
Cortez George, we call it, yes.
He getting a bench.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, wait a minute. Oh, he's in there talking. Go back in the room, Mr. George, and wait on Mr. Barrett.
Oh, he had left. I don't know how I go back.
No luck on the attorney room.
No, I had to call him again. I sent him an email.
Your Honor, can I ask you a question? This is Mr.
You need to
Lacy.
sit up, sir. You need to sit up. Yes, we're trying to make contact with that attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't-
Yes, sir.
What's your question?
I was just on there. I was just wondering, you know what I'm saying, what I supposed to do from here.
Just sit tight. I want you to make sure you had that attorney. The whole purpose of this hearing today was making sure you had contact with an attorney. And since you didn't have contact with that attorney yet, we're gonna get that attorney in here right now. I don't want this to be prolonged because an attorney hasn't contacted you.
Yes, sir.
Because if you leave today and wait on an attorney, and I'll give you another date, then you'll be testing and all that stuff, spending more money, and the attorney might not contact you again. So we're gonna get one in here now.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
Well, Ms. Ramsey's working on it. She's been working on it ever since. She's made multiple calls and sent emails, so it's not on our end. We're waiting on them to respond.
Okay, so, I'm calling from the judge at the 236 District Court, and I have someone that needs an attorney appointment today, right now. Mhm. Okay, yeah, we need an attorney today. Yes, also sent him an email, yes, I can. The case number is Z8100-811. And that person's name is Kenneth Lacey. I've also sent him an email. Okay. Okay, thank you. So should I call back? Okay. 3130-965. What's your name? Amanda. Okay. Thanks, Amanda. Trying to get in touch with the guy.
Very good. All right, are we ready on Greer? That looks like we're not ready.
We'll be having a trial. He's still sending me videos, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Greer sending you videos?
Yes, but I also need to speak with the city attorney. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's, well, maybe this is a little, well, I don't know. This, I can remember this not being an easy task either for Mr. Michael Lewis, but maybe you can handle this in the meantime. City of Detroit versus Michael Kenneth Lewis, case number SP 1908312, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1913906, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Michael Lewis.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lewis.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time is set for a pretrial. There were 3 other matters that I wouldn't have an issue of setting the defaults aside. Ms. Harris, you have your ink pen ready?
Ready.
Expired plate, no insurance proof, it does have a reinstatement fee on it, and a failure to use turn signal. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you.
7, Ms. Harris. Join the room, please. We'll pass the matter. Can you run her license, please? Mr. Benny Gilbert.
Yes,
Good morning to you. Have you had an attorney contact you?
yes, Attorney Reese
Get him in here, please. Carpenter.
Carpenter.
This is valid, it's valid.
Yeah.
Attorney Carpenter, Reese Carpenter.
I believe he in another courtroom or something. He said this morning or something.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, trial is going to be July 28th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Okay, Mr. George?
Okay, is it the same code that I joined today?
Yes.
You said July 28th.
At 9 a.m.
All right.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Kinja Green, case number SP 190348811. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name.
Ms. Green. Mrs. Green. State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Yes, Kendra Green.
All right, Ms. Green, today is date and time set for a trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. Officer Hupp was here, Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, you let us know when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of, which one are you ready on, Mr. Johnson?
Mr. Fowler and, I'm sorry, Mr. Golson and Ms. Garner.
City of Detroit versus Javon Amir Golson, case numbers SP 1909251, counts 1, 2, and 3, and the state of Michigan versus Javon Amir Golson, case number SX 69301. Appearance for the record, please. That's in default, but I didn't have any issue with setting that default aside. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please court, Vassal Johnson II, 72130, on behalf of Mr. Golson. He's on Zoom.
All right, Mr. Golson, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Devon Amir Golson.
All right, today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. Request a bench trial date in front of Your Honor.
Trial is going to be the 28th of July at 9 a.m. Mr. Golson, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. You have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Chantel Garner, case number SP 190444721. Appearance for the record, please.
May I please court, Vassal Johnson II, on behalf of Ms. Garner.
Ms. Garner, good morning to you. State your name for the record,
Good
please.
morning, Chantel Gardner.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. What does Ms. Gardner want to do?
Request a bench trial date, Your Honor. Same date will be great.
July 28th at 9 a.m. Ms. Garner. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You as well.
Thank you. Who else did you have, Mr.
Did Larry? Diane, Larry?
Yeah, I haven't seen them. All right. You can more than welcome to check back in. We'll be here for a few minutes, I guess.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Michael Kenneth Lewis. Ms. Harris, this is a bench trial date. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Lewis, you want a trial date?
Yes, sir.
All right, July the 28th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Ms. Harris, well, you have one. Gatewood is set for trial as well. Do you want to take this one or you want to leave this one for Mr. Berry? Her license is valid. Congratulations, Ms. Gatewood.
Take it. I would need Miss Horn, but I'll take it. I think she had to step away from it.
City of Detroit versus Tricia Gatewood, case number SP 1668861, SP 1668861, SP 1682288, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1884866, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 188544491. Appearance for the record, please.
Trisha Gatewood.
Sharon Harris on behalf of Ms. Gatewood.
All right, Ms. Gatewood, today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I mean, strike that. It's set for a trial. Ask for Officer Ross was here. Is he here now? Officer Ross was here, Ms. Harris, and Officer Anthony Williams was here. Ross and Anthony Williams. As for the other officer, Nunley, I have not seen that officer. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
To dismiss on the cases where the officer failed to appear.
I'll grant that motion. Ms. Gatewood, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind the offer. Today is the date and time set for the trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. I did say Ms. Gatewood has a valid driver's license. I think I said it. I know she has a license, valid license. All right. Okay, very well. Let's pass the matter. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Benny Edward Gilbert, case number SP 1755309, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1901825, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895, on behalf of Benny Gilbert. Could you please state your full name for the record?
Benny Edward Gilbert.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Gilbert. Date and time is set for a trial. I'm going to put Mr. Gilbert in breakout room 6. Mr. Gilbert, join the breakout room 6. Mr. Carpenter is going to come see you as soon as he gets some things situated. The day is date and time set for a trial. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer he presented, then today is the date and time set for the trial. Let me see. Mr. Gilbert, let's see. We had Officer. Okay, wait a minute. I don't think we need to deal with it. Officer Wafer, Joseph Wafer, and Chris Harris. All right, you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor. We would be making a motion to dismiss, as it is my understanding that none of the officers have appeared on the date and time that is scheduled for a trial today.
All right, I don't see those officers on my list. At this time, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. And Mr. Gilbert, you do owe one older equipment violation ticket, 120. No, you paid that. So let's close that out. All right, you don't owe anything, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Do you have anybody else, Mr. Carpenter?
I do have Eric Leonard. I believe you dismissed the case already for him.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, please come on and check in, and at least check in and let us know that you're here, and we can. I'll give you time to go to your other courtrooms, but let's check in for now.
Okay, thank you.
Up to you. This is City of Detroit versus Jalen Cortez Legs, case number SP 1117137. Counts 1 and counts 3, SP 186-36321. Good morning to you, Mr. Legg. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning.
State your name for the record, please.
Jalen Legs.
All right, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a review. I don't see that you paid anything. Were you supposed to do community service?
No, sir.
So why haven't you paid?
I had the money today.
When are you gonna pay it? You gonna pay it now?
Yes, sir.
How are you gonna pay it?
Where do I go?
Either pay it.
Do I get a money order? Do I get a money order? Or I don't know how. This is my first time paying tickets.
I see. Either pay it at the kiosk or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. They'll go through instantly like that. You can upload the kiosk to your phone. That's DIVDAT. And while you have the money, you also need to pay this $288. Well, you owe it twice for no insurance proofs. So, but you owe a lot of money, but the $288 times 2 are affecting your ability to get a license. So you owe $240. That's what you were supposed to pay today. Then you owe $288 plus $288. Then you owe some other stuff, but that 288 plus 288 will clear you at least here for the 36th District Court. Are you gonna come down and pay it, or are you gonna pay it on the kiosk? How are you gonna pay it?
Come down.
All right, come down and pay it and come back in tomorrow, okay?
Okay, so I just tell him my name
Tell them your name, yes. Tell them your name.
and
And
and tell him I got the 480.
you have the 580, it would be 720 today.
I thought you told me 480, sir.
720.
Your Honor, this is the interpreter, Maria, and so I think I will, at this time, I'm going to leave.
Okay.
Okay,
Peace
thank
out.
you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Well, I resentenced him on this one violation of Marijuana Act, and that was never put in, the $240. You can put that in. That'll save you some kind of 600 some odd dollars there. Hmm.
He comes back in.
All right.
He said,
This one here, that one's supposed to be resentenced.
Sorry, my phone had disconnected.
Yeah, this other one, you ticket, you probably don't see it. It is a violation of marijuana. All right, I resentenced you on one. I just saved you 600 and some odd dollars. You'll owe you just owe a lot of money, sir.
it's just supposed to be 240.
Yeah, let's make it 240. That was supposed to have been done the last time.
Okay.
All right, come back in tomorrow morning. We'll see what you paid.
Can I put a payment down because I don't have the 720?
If you come down and get into a payment plan, yes. If I were you, I would pay the $288 tickets, no insurance proofs, and get into a payment plan on the rest of the stuff. Don't try to get into a payment plan on the $288. Pay those off and get into a payment plan on the rest of the stuff. That way you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
Here, let me mark there, allow payment plan. Allow. I marked the file, allow payment plan, all right?
You put it under my name, sir? So when I come down
Say
there,
that again?
I say you'll put that under my name, so when I come down there, it'll pop up.
Yeah, it should. We'll put it in the computer.
Thank
All
you,
right,
sir.
come back tomorrow morning. Let us know what you've done.
Okay, sir.
Be on time.
You say what, sir?
Be on time, 8:25. Be on time, please.
Okay, sir.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Well. Any questions?
No, sir.
Not you. You're free to leave, Mr. Legs.
Okay, have a blessed day.
You have one better one. You too. Thank you.
Okay, brother.
Nothing on Lacey yet, huh?
She called, she didn't see it in the system, so I put it in the system, now she got to call and see if she can do it.
Very good. It's a new system, Mr. Lacey. That's what you're being, for the most part, it's worked okay, but there's some glitches, so you got caught up in the glitch.
Yes, sir.
Mark allow payment plan for each one of them,
Okay.
please.
And this is, a girl brother, Ken Taylor.
Is that him coming in? Yeah. Hey, good morning. How are you?
How are you?
I'm well, thank you. How about yourself?
You doing well?
Fine. How can we help you?
I stay happy, Judge.
That's good. I'm glad.
I'm spreading some happiness.
Somebody does. Thank you.
You get the double dose. Mondo, you get some. Natty, you know you get some. My birthday day before mine, Judge.
Really?
Yeah.
When was your birthday?
April 2nd.
April
That's
2nd.
April
Yours,
1st.
your birthday is the same day as my brother's.
April 1st?
Yeah.
She's a sweetheart.
April baby.
Yeah, we sweethearts. What you do? First, my birthday, 20th.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for that happiness.
Right, thank you.
You as well. All right,
Thank
we'll
you.
take it too. Can we give me some horn, please? Really? No, Miss Mathis was not gonna show. She usually texts me too.
Yeah, she said.
Oh, I think she did. Yeah, I think she did say she won't be here for a while, huh? Oh. Okay, she did say that. How was it? So you don't know when you're gonna be in here, do you?
Is Miss Mathis okay?
She's got some, she'll be out for a minute.
Okay. Hey, Madison.
Hey, we were.
Well, we appreciate you.
Thank you.
I'm sure. But you came out because it took too long? You need to go back in and wait on Miss Harris.
Could you send me back?
It's already open to you. You need to go down to the bottom of your screen. It has it's already open to you.
Got you. Thank you.
Lots low.
Relax.
No, I was about to say, you ran lots license. I don't think you.
I was about.
Let's see what the, oh, he's got it. Looks like he, yeah, you can try to run his license. Al,
System.
how you doing, Ms. Asia? I'm well. I'll put it, you can just throw it away if it's suspended. I'll take it if he asks for something to, why it's suspended.
I bet I'm gonna give you some slack.
Well, it should be suspended.
Did you know anybody went to the concert?
No.
Madison said she went.
Did she? Yeah, I asked her about it.
She said some of them tickets were $800.
I know. No surprise at that.
Can't think of nobody I like that.
They got more trucks out there than they have for the Super
More
Bowl.
vendors than fans.
I guess when you got two superstars like that, you gonna bring them in. So you went to the concert?
I did last night.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was nice. They put on a show.
I bet they did.
Yeah.
I bet they did. That's what
Oh,
they
you
have.
didn't go?
No, I saw the price for those tickets, but then I didn't realize there was a lot of people buying tickets the day of. I just got my ticket Thursday.
So you cheap?
I want that 800. That ticket's about $700.
So you would have gone then, huh?
Yeah, I paid 100 and something for a ticket. Yeah.
Say no 800.
I guess they got their little, it was a little too, they didn't get what they thought they were gonna get out of it then.
This one girl, Cassie friend, she supposed to got backstage and all this other stuff. They said they never even went backstage.
Wow. How much did she pay?
About 800. They supposed to get backstage. They never went backstage at all. And then she was on the floor.
That's
she
not
ended up
cool.
going up to the 100 section because you can't really see on the floor because everything is like on level. Everybody's standing there. She played floor chickens and ended up in the 100. That's a scam.
That's a lot of money.
A lot of time, but they didn't get what they thought they were gonna get though, because I'm sure when they were pricing those tickets, they thought everybody was gonna buy $800 or plus tickets.
Yeah.
And that didn't get the case.
Did you call Kenya Green?
Yes.
She back.
She's back, but I don't know if she's supposed to have been in the breakout room.
Oh, okay. I can bring it back.
I don't know which one. What's green?
Yes, I'm
Oh,
back. My internet had went out.
we're with Mr. Barry, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, you rejoin the room. Yeah, that's a lot of dough. Except Mr. Lott and Mr. Lacy. Mr. Lacy is waiting on him. We're trying to get him an attorney in here right now. Mr. Lott just came in late. His schedule for trial, we'll get him in there once they're done. We're waiting on the city attorney now. So what department did you work in before?
I was the city secretary for Dr. Brady.
I like Mr. Dr. Brooks. Can you text Ms. Horn again, please? We're just waiting on them to get that attorney in. We're just waiting on them to get that attorney in.
I can call her and check, but she seemed like she can't do a lot, because I guess the guy at home, she said she can't do, she will call me and see if they can do it, because yeah. She said she'll come back, I'm about to call her and see if he got anything. And then look at that, I'm just calling to see if there were any other. Okay. Thank you. She waiting on, the guy that was my back there. Because we wanted one person.
So how long was the concert?
It started about 8:45 to about 11:45. So almost 12. So it was a good while. They didn't really waste too much time. Sometimes if you waste time, they'll come out to 9:30 to 5, so about 8:40. It started at 7. So about 8:45.
And then were they both on stage together at points or no?
Yeah, they came out together and they was kind of going back and forth. So it was pretty good, I guess. So the other one rest up.
Huh?
I said maybe I guess the other one rest up for the next set, but they came out like together, and then Usher did some songs, Chris back and forth. It was nice too.
Concert. Two of the biggest.
Huge. Tell you what, they have more trucks than they had when they had Monday Night Football. Period. It was lined up all in front of the court and everything.
Yeah. Somebody had a video that was at the rooftop across the street. They had a video looking down, everybody was.
From the music hall.
Yeah, they had a video, look, everybody all over here. It was a lot. I'm like,
Everybody was all in the street and everything.
They was. It looked
I
like
can
it was
imagine.
like when a draft was here or something. It was a
Nobody,
lot.
because that's how it was with that graduation over there. Cars couldn't even go through there. We
It's
was just
always
standing there
like that.
looking.
For graduation.
And wherever that
Indiana.
was at the music hall a couple weeks ago, it
Yeah.
was so big.
It was a couple
And there
of
was
them
so
though.
many people out there on Madison and Brush that there was no cars couldn't go through there. They just had the police standing out there and they were doing like that. It was a lot of people. A lot of. Figured a concert would be like that too. A bunch of people out there.
This.
She just came in. That's what I'm trying to see if she got a case. I don't see her on the docket. Miss Golden.
Yes, hi.
How are you, ma'am? How can we help you?
I'm good. How are you, Random? My apologies for interrupting because I don't know what you guys have going on, but I had a date last week on Thursday, but due to a family emergency, I missed it. But I still wanted to submit all of my documents because it was for no insurance and tags. So is there somewhere that I can resubmit or do I have to apply for a new date?
All right, give us a minute, please.
Thank you.
Can we grab her file? I don't know if it'll be up here or not, though.
It's downstairs. I can see if they can pull it.
Well, now you know, check out the last night.
Might get it for $100.
I mean, it sounded like it. It sounded like it was pretty much a lot cheaper than 800.
I think I know of two people that did that. Their tickets on $500.
Wait till the day of and come down here.
And a lot of people were selling the tickets that bought early. A lot of them were selling.
They probably lost money though.
I think it's because they added that third show. So you had a lot of people who bought tickets for resale that they didn't intend on a third show to be added. That's why people were able to get tickets for so much cheaper. Because they was trying to get them tickets off that they, bought to make a lot of money.
I was in row 5. My ticket was only 200.
So she went.
said roll
That's why
Tide?
she
She said
couldn't
roll
go.
Tide?
That's why she couldn't come to court.
Hey, I miss court Thursday, not yesterday. I've been trying to log in since Friday, but I know everybody was
Didn't
on
stop up for
holiday.
seeing Usher and Chris Brown, did it?
Everybody
Wasn't
on
that
holiday. I've been trying
important?
to get in this courtroom since Friday.
That family emergency wasn't that important, was it?
Emergencies can only be urgent for so long.
Did you see any of the summer league games?
No, but my neighbor, he a big Spurs fan. And he came over and told me when they were playing, he was like, Spurs playing tonight. In the summer league, I think it was one of the first ones.
You see, Akon got 25. He didn't shoot that well.
No, he's gonna put it up though.
Absolutely.
Him and
But 25 is 25.
Peterson, they're gonna put it up. The Aaron Peterson guy, he's gonna shoot a lot.
I think people slipped on Akon. He's supposed to go higher than that.
I think so too. I thought he should have been like top 3. But like a better version of Marbury.
She said he got polished.
They concerned about the Pistons. They said the whole point was to get another post-star.
Oh, you got it? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, they're still trying to get Trey Murphy third.
What about Kevin Durant? They're trying to get
I've been
him
hearing
too.
that too. I've been hearing that. At this point, they might have to just desperation.
Man, I love Kevin Durant.
Like a little 2-year deal or something.
Love
Let him do his last look.
I might go to a game.
The son will go to that game, huh?
Uh-huh.
The son will go to that game. We got Kevin Durant.
My daughter goes to a lot of those games.
Yeah. They won't have to go all the way out to Auburn Hills no more.
Yeah. I go to the game and the superstar Allen Iverson didn't show up. Chris Paul one time, he just played like garbage. And,
That was the last one I went to was when the Pistons got Blake Griffin. I was at the first game he played.
No, this was at Auburn Hills. I've been to a couple games at LCA, but it just seemed like superstars. I was really I didn't want to go, but they had already set it up. And then when I looked at
in the era of low management.
When I looked at the roster, I was like, oh man, Chris Paul. I was like, oh, okay, I'm straight. I ain't. And then he didn't play. He played, but he just didn't play like he usually plays. It was just his off day. But his game was off.
I think they was playing Cleveland. Yeah, just got him.
They say his son is the truth too, though. Chris Paul. I do too.
I like Carmelo's son. He's pretty good.
Still not catching Raymond Brown at Syracuse though.
Yeah, he's not as aggressive as Melo is, but he could play though.
No, it is hard following in the footsteps like him. His dad, Hall of Fame, Melo.
Melo one better we ever seen.
Ever seen.
That's tough act to follow. Same thing with Bronny.
Yeah, Bronny is not like. I guess he's decent. But,
he could jump.
He ain't nowhere near that. Well, that's another thing. How you gonna be like LeBron James?
It ain't gonna happen.
I bet the little brother is supposed to be.
He's pretty good.
He said he's pretty good.
He's better than him. I think he's like 6'7". He the only one that's really tall. He's about 6'7", 6'6". Still young. But.
What is Miss Warren saying? Man, just get on
No response to it.
here again, please. Squeaky wheel gets to work. They. Well, Mr. Lacy, I can give you another date.
Yes.
All right. Give you another date. You can wait on that call if you still. Let me make sure your number is okay. Is that 1033 number?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Kenneth Darnell Lacy, case number Z8100811. Mr. Lacy, state your name for the record, please.
Kenneth Darnell Lacy.
All right, day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Unfortunately, they have not gotten that attorney yet. I did speak with the probation department, and they indicated that everything was good as far as your testing, so I'm gonna set another pretrial date for the 24th of August. Strike that, the 24th of July. If that attorney does have contact with you, then you guys are more than welcome to come in earlier than that.
Yes, sir. The
All of
24th?
the bond, the 24th at 8:30, all of the bond conditions remain the same. Again, ask for calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. I guess you're gonna hear from that appointed attorney now, as many phone calls as we've made. I'm sure they're gonna be on it. All right?
Yes, sir. You said the 24th of this month?
Yeah, 24th of this month. Mr.
All
Lacy,
right,
I
yes, sir.
have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, you too, sir.
You're welcome. We're still waiting, Ms. Green.
Oh my God. I'm gonna be late for work. I'm not trying to lose my driver's license.
I know. Call
Have to
Ms.
pay
Horn.
$100 huh?
Call Ms. Horn, Mr. Officer Wilson. Yes. What is this here for? Oh,
Something that I didn't do.
that's why you're here.
I know.
All right. Just tell her I'm gonna start letting these people go. Okay,
Yeah, because I'm an hour late for work, Your Honor. I had to call my clients and let them know.
Another place.
All right, did she hear me? I'm gonna start letting these people go. All right, you could have gone to work.
I can't, but if I would have been driving and then y'all would have came on, then I would have been, getting in trouble with you for driving while going
Then
to
I
work.
would have let you get to your destination, and then you could have zoomed back in when you got to your destination.
No, I'd
How
rather
long?
just, it's a 45-minute drive.
Oh.
Yes, sir. That's why I didn't want to just doing that.
I was gonna clown her for a minute, but I said, nah, I won't say that. You want me to say what I was thinking, Ms. Green?
Yes, sir. I already know what you was gonna say. Before I came into your courtroom a couple of years ago, I ain't had no license. But what you was gonna say, Anna?
I was gonna say, stay out them after hours. You won't be here. No, just don't comment. I didn't say.
Your Honor, I do not smoke or anything. That's a misunderstanding because at the same time, I took someone to a place I didn't know where I was going.
Say
I don't
anymore,
smoke or
Ms.
drink.
Green. I didn't say you smoked or you drank. But you don't have to smoke or drink to be there to go to the after hour, do you? No, I'm just
No, that
messing.
ain't an after hour, Your Honor. That wasn't an after hour. No, I don't club. Nope, I'm gonna stay at home.
All right.
I'm just trying to get this over with.
We're gonna get it over with soon because Mr. Berry, are we ready?
No, Your Honor. I wanted to get the Kendra Green ticket.
Okay. He needs a copy of it.
Can you chat me your email address?
It really doesn't have anything on here, but the address and loitering in the place of a legal occupation with intent to engage. Other than that, it's nothing to say what's going on, anything.
The matter on the docket is operating an illegal enterprise?
Well, they put it on there like that, but it's really loitering in the place of a legal occupation with intent to engage. That's what the ticket reads. It does have it does have an address on there, but it doesn't have any notes or anything. I think it has a police report number though. So there may be some other, it may be some other discovery or somewhere. More.
Your Honor, there's a witness not available to it at this time.
See what happens before we go over there. It may not go anywhere. I don't know if I don't, it just doesn't. Is that Mr. Green's witness?
That's correct. That's correct. But I agree. I should speak with the wait on the prosecutor and see how this goes.
All right.
Attorney Barry, is your email address elwood.berry1@gmail.com?
That's me, yes.
Okay, I'm sending you over the ticket now.
Ms. Harris, are you ready?
I need Miss Lauren, and I think she's here now. She told me she was on her way. Thank you.
Officer Burley, you just stepped in the room?
Yes, sir. I had another courtroom.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss your cases for lot. I won't mark you as not a peer, no officer though.
Do apologize.
Good morning.
About that. I'm sorry about that.
Oh, no issue. Don't worry. It's just not no reason to apologize. It's just it's 11 o'clock now, but so that's why if you show, I still won't mark you no officer. I'll just dismiss them.
Okay, I appreciate you, sir. Apologize about that again.
Okay, no issues. You be safe out there, Officer Burley. Be the best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Ms. Horn, they're waiting on you in 4.
Yeah, and Judge, I just sent a message to the court.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
my witnesses just came to my house. Would my lawyer like to speak to her?
Yeah, they'll speak to him. Give him a minute.
Okay.
That storm, no? Does anybody lose power? You still don't have power? You don't have power?
My children's mother don't. And
Yeah, they said first they said Monday, then they said Sunday, then Sunday became the wind, still Monday.
It's supposed to be down, they said on the date today, Tuesday, and like.
Oh, yeah.
She said
You east
11
side?
p.m. tonight.
West.
You west side?
You see your total what?
She said they told him 11 p.m. tonight.
Yeah, that's what they've been saying.
Greenfield.
Yeah, first they said, when the first one they said Monday at 11:30, but then they changed it to Sunday at 11:30. But then the update, since they happened, the update to tonight at 11:30. I didn't give out food vouchers.
Really?
She put this lady, I saw some. Here it is. This form is fine.
She on here
Well,
now.
she's already here
She
now.
been on it.
Got quite a few other resources right here. Northwest Activity Center, Adams Bustle Recreation,
That's around the corner.
Helen Moore Community Center.
What they saying?
Here, I got all the time right here.
Yeah, what is that for?
Right, what do you?
This is my son. My son is autistic, so his teacher always tries to help with things. So in the group text that she sent to his mother and myself, she said, "I'm not sure if anyone is out of power. But here are resources."
Oh, they said these are cooling,
In your
cooling
areas
centers,
for
and they
food.
got.
She want her food.
I want
Yeah,
my
it's all
food.
of that. It's cooling
It's
center,
a few
food,
pantry options somewhat close to you.
places where you can charge your phone and stuff like that.
No, I think she want her money back for the food she paid.
That's about to get, they gotta get down the way. I want to
Yeah.
deep freezer. But
She
they
want
got
to be reimbursed.
Yeah, I don't blame.
Somebody write me a check.
everything, whole deep freezer full of stuff.
You
So
see,
they
you
got
gotta pay a lot of people then.
Well, they're not gonna pay probably
I can
because
give a
of,
voucher or something.
no, they're gonna say natural disaster,
Wow.
right?
That's what I'm thinking.
Doesn't make stuff from asking, that's for sure. I think they do. They would have to, I'm sure, if it was their issue, but they're gonna probably argue natural disaster. Even though you spend all that money and they keep going up on rates, but they don't fix our, infrastructure. Yeah, I'm sure. They did do something in my area. It used to be real bad. And they must have done something in the last, year and a half or so. Mhm. I saw people in Lowe's buying generators yesterday. And you get a good deal on a generator.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna bring it back after they're done.
Right.
There's gonna be a lot of open lots.
You should see where he go. Love doing things together.
Oh, dismiss. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gatewood. Ms. Gatewood, I guess this is gonna be a dismissal here for compliance. There's two, there are two cases, ma'am, that you're gonna have to pay that weren't a part of this, your 252 on an expired plate and another 204 on another expired plate, okay?
And for what vehicle is this?
I don't know. It was something that was in default a long time ago. One of the vehicles was, a Nissan, 2011 Nissan, no plate. And the other vehicle was, I don't have that ticket here.
Is it for the Blazer? The
I
2020?
don't know.
One moment, Gatewood. Yes, Your Honor.
Say that again.
Before she says anything, there's a recommendation to dismiss.
Yeah, I dismissed the cases. I saw that, but she had two civil infractions that weren't a part of that weren't on the docket. So I was giving her the vehicle. She wanted to know which vehicle.
Are they for the same or similar offenses, Your Honor?
There's, yeah, they are. The other one was the Nissan twice. It was the Nissan at both occasions.
For no registration and no insurance?
No, well, at least no registration. It had no plate on it. It said no plate on the ticket. All right. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well. Y'all have a nice day.
I'm just looking for Miss Green's file, the ticket. Thank you.
Are we ready on what is going to happen on Greer?
I need to go back and finish speaking with him, but I think it's gonna have to be adjourned.
Yes, he has video he wants to show. We would like to get video for him.
This has got to be done more efficiently. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we still have a lot to.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
We were ready to say he had his own video. He wanted to use. I'm like, well, we don't have that.
And we have a lot to.
Yep, lot. Let me see what's going on
That's what you
now.
want to do, that's fine, but I appreciate you, thank you so much.
Okay, I'll see what they have to say about it.
You just call back. She was gonna sign Vassal Johnson to it.
Okay.
I never knew that.
Would you give him a number? I'll call Vassal Johnson.
Okay. Oh, for him.
Yeah, so we can talk.
I believe I put his number in the system, in the system. You gotta put a phone, I believe I put his phone number in there, because it's in the file.
Yeah, it is.
Hello, Your Honor.
Are we ready on Greer? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Desmond Greer. What's gonna happen here, Ms. Harris?
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Greer is going to make requests of the court on his own behalf.
Go ahead, Mr. Greer.
I was trying to see if I can get asked for a dismissal.
All right, what's the basis?
I mean, I showed her the proof that I did not refuse to show him ID. I showed him ID.
Okay, okay, but the fact of the matter is that you have your own evidence, they have their evidence, and the court has to see both sides to make a decision. I can't just dismiss it just because you say you showed proof of something. I have to give them a chance to respond, just like I'm gonna give you a chance to respond to what they say.
Yeah, I was kind of saying it's hindering my job, but
You say what?
it was hindering my job.
I understand that. That's why,
What time?
yeah, what is outside of that? Have you had any other discussion with Mr. Greer, Ms. Harris, about how we're gonna proceed?
Suggestion was that he get an attorney appointed. At that time, he made other statements about requests that he wanted to make of the court, which is why I pulled him out so that he could make those requests. Now, if he wants to have an appointed attorney, I could absolutely collect his contact information.
What do you want to do? That information that you have, that information needs to be turned over to the prosecutor's office, just as they should be able to turn over any information that's related to this case and that they may have against you.
Okay.
So do you want us to appoint you an attorney?
Yeah, I like to represent myself, but I also like to have an attorney present.
All right.
And
I'm gonna reset this for a pretrial date on the 24th at 8:30. I need a good phone number from you so I can have that attorney contact you.
okay.
I'm ready.
Let's see. Nope. You said you're ready? 586. I gotta get the number. Okay, it's 586 257 4111.
All right. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of July the 24th, 2026 at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Okay.
So would this be in person or just going to be on video or Zoom?
Well, the next one is going to be on Zoom. This next date is set just to make sure that appointed attorney has had a opportunity to contact you.
And it's pre-trial or trial?
Pre-trial.
Okay.
And we'll reset the trial date once you talk to that attorney, formulate your defense, get the information to the city that you have. The attorney can help you with that stuff.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you, Your Honor. You have a great
All
day.
right. You have a best of luck. July the 24th, answer the calls you don't recognize. Great. Have a great rest of your day.
You too.
All right. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Keontae Marquise Lott. Case number SP150358181. SP1900289 counts 1 and counts 2, and SP1900338. Also SP1820205 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Keontae Lott.
Chair Harris on behalf of the defendant.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lott. Day, date, and time is set for a trial. The only officer that Burley did appear, but he came in late. And then Shaq, I haven't seen. Mr. Lott, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, and I come back.
So, and Officer James appeared.
Officer James did appear. Not here now, though. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lott. Speak to Ms. Harris, see if she can work it out for you, all right?
Okay.
See the prompt, join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Wait, where the prop at? I see, I see.
When you come out too.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, Ms. Green.
I'm ready to go.
Ms. Green, I think everybody in here is ready to go.
Yes, I've been on here since 9 o'clock. It's 11.
I know.
After 11.
Hey, what do they say?
11:22.
The wheels of justice turn slow sometimes.
They haven't came up with a decision yet.
He's working on it. They're in there talking now.
Okay.
All right, are we ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an offer. Have you, what's gonna happen? Because I haven't given her another opportunity to speak with you.
The people are moving for dismissal with stipulation to probable cause.
All right, you want to stipulate the probable cause on that, Ms. Green?
Yes.
All right, with that, we'll dismiss the case per city attorney. The wheels of justice sometimes turn slow, but in this case, I guess you're gonna say justice was served, right, Ms. Green?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. And I'm sorry about what happened. You should, yeah, that's all I got to say. But for the record, Your Honor, Officer Nicholas Hopp was here and available for trial today. Thank you.
And Ms. Green, you still owe $210 on an old blocking traffic, just to let you know that.
Okay, I'll be down there on Friday and pay it.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right, this is an off-docket matter, Mr. Berry. This is the city of Detroit, and it's something that was supposed to have been done for Thursday. This is the city of Detroit versus Virgia Ann Golden. Case number SP 1914366, counts 1, 2, and 3.
No, I'm
done. Record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Golden.
Sorry, I'm sorry, you guys.
State your name.
My name is Virgie Golden.
Virgie, I'm sorry. Virgie. Let's put purpose of arraignment on the warrant, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, my client will stand muted.
or enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Golden was too busy getting prepared for the concert and forgot about the case. So, Mr. Berry, she has a no insurance misdemeanor, expired plate, and a no registration. Ms. Golden, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, and Mr. Berry is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass
Okay,
the
thank
matter.
you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Golden. Ms. Golden, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration. We seek dismissal.
All right, case is dismissed, Ms. Golden. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. You as well.
You enjoyed the concert.
Same.
She said she spent 200 for her ticket.
What concert is it?
That was Chris Brown and Usher. You didn't go, Mr. Berry?
I didn't know. I didn't know.
It's not over.
Is
It's
that
over, it's
today?
over. It's over, that was it.
Last night's the last day.
They're actually cleaning up now.
Yeah, they are.
Oh.
You missed it. I missed it too. We'll catch them next year.
We'll catch him next time.
All right. Yeah. I was telling them they had more trucks and things than they had on Monday Night Football, wrapped around the whole court and everything.
Wow. Well, I can imagine. Usher has had some wonderful stuff.
Yeah, people go to out of town to see him. I had people going to Las Vegas and Chicago and all that to see him.
Yeah, I would.
Chris Brown is a big name too.
I saw them both separately too. I went to Vegas to the residency. That was something amazing. And then I saw Chris Brown maybe a few years back. I'm like,
Miss
good.
Williams. Miss Williams Law gets
Miss
around.
Williams Law, did she open up for Usher?
No.
Yeah,
Bye.
you could've
Bye.
opened
No,
up.
no.
You could have opened up for
Absolutely not.
him. Yeah. I know people have been talking about it for quite some time.
I didn't think two of them would be together like that. That had to be bigger than separate. Because they're big by themselves.
Oh, huge.
But together is even
A-list.
together had to be even bigger.
I still think Mr. Barry's podcast was better though. I did. I can't say that enough. I still am flabbergasted and overwhelmed by all the stuff that you've done.
Ernie Berry has done a lot.
That the one that really got me was a couple of them, but the one where he thinks he's got permission to accept people into medical school. But the killing part about it is they fire him, but he still got the people in.
Didn't want the place to burn.
I was like, oh man, what, and then the attorney that was working down there in the movement with him, Mr. Berry got his license, but he says, I had to get back to California. My family been out there waiting on me. He couldn't get a job. And he's working at the 7-Eleven. And guess who walks in? The attorney that's in the movement with him. And he gives him a job. I was like, oh man, we kind of like in San Francisco, you could just be, that's just God and fate. You know what I'm saying?
That's the way I felt about it at the time.
Out of all places. But there's much more twists and turns to it, but those are kind of the two best that we got to do it again, Mr. Berry.
I'm at your disposal, Your Honor.
We have to hear more.
You know, Cleveland Sellers and we in Mississippi. I don't remember why we were together because we typically weren't. He was the supervisor of all of the vehicles that would go out into the community and recruit. So our being together was odd, and we were alone together, and he's driving, and it's rural Mississippi, and he runs over a mailbox. He runs over a mailbox. It was on the road where it was supposed to be, and he ran over the mailbox. They called the police and we were arrested. So we go to jail. They take us to jail. And this attorney, that same attorney from LA, comes. He's one of two attorneys who show up to get us out of jail. And so it's a small jail in Mississippi, and they make a deal. They make a plea where we could be freed. No muss, no fuss. Mr. Sellers and I, Cleve Sellers and I, spent at least 3 hours to decide the pros and cons of our entering this plea, whether it was the righteous thing to do, whether it was appropriate in terms of the movement, in terms of Black people in that community. And
my bad, I'm coming right now. I'm trying to.
Yeah. We took the deal, but
Now, that's another thing though, it's an accident. He didn't intend on running over and you go to jail for an accident. Just imagine that. Just imagine that.
We weren't surprised at all at the time.
But no, I guess not. They're trying to run y'all out of town.
Yeah, well.
Here's Mr. Locke.
Yeah.
That's amazing, but that's the way it is, and that's the way it was, and still is in a lot of places.
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lott. Mr. Lott, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of allowing with the remaining matters dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lott?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give the rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Draw your attention back to April 20th, 2026, around 2:10 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Otter Drive in Evergreen. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Did I have an encounter with them? Yes, sir.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Without a driver? Yes, sir.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yeah, at that time frame, I didn't know that my license was expired.
And you couldn't have produced that license, could you?
Yeah, I produced the ID and the license, but I didn't know that the ID and the license was expired. Like,
And the license was not valid at that time.
I mean, not valid. I apologize for saying expired.
That's all right. The license was not valid, right?
Yes, sir.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing $240 to be the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
When can you pay, Mr. Lott?
Next week we start back work this week.
Are you sure you're gonna be able to do it next week?
Yes, sir.
So what date? Put a date on it, sir.
The 17th.
All right, come back on the 17th. You pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
You come on. I pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone. I think it's your volume. Can you hear me now? Well, put your ear up to the phone.
It's gotta be me.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
You pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone. or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's paid, and you know it's paid, you don't have to show up on the 17th. But if it's not paid, I need to see you, okay?
Okay, and you said pay by the kiosk, or I can pay it online?
If you pay it at the kiosk, if you pay it online, it probably won't be going through by the 17th. But if you pay it at the kiosk or you pay it in person, it'll go through it instantly.
Okay, so is it like a number I should ask them for, or what should I say? What I pay?
The DivDat kiosk is DIVDAT. I'm told you can upload it on your phone.
Okay, hold on, I'm about to write it down right now. You said DIV
DAT.
DAT.
All right.
Okay.
I wish you the best of luck. Congratulations on getting back to work, Mr. Lott, and tell your sister don't miss her day.
And I got one more question. So when I go to the kiosk, I just put these letters there?
No, you go to the kiosk. If you're at the DivDat kiosk, you just put your name or one of your ticket numbers in.
I'm about to chat it to him.
You about to chat it to him?
Okay.
Mr. gonna chat it to you.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.
All right, don't go anywhere until you get the chat. And take a screen.
This is my last question. So am I able to, because when I try to go down there to get my license, they said I had to finish this court.
Yeah, so once we put this thing in the system today, you'll be able to get your license.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
I'll wait in the chat.
Okay. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lott, once you get the chat, take a screenshot of it. Have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you, okay?